Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, just gonna get right into it. Let's just start off by showing you the dried results from my last video. So here you have it. Look at that. Gotta love it. So this one obviously had silver in it and the pearl cream, but it dried perfectly. And as always, when it dries, you get that lovely shimmer from the metallic or iridescent paints that I have used. So there it is. What do you guys think? I'm loving these. It's available for purchase. Look at that shimmer. If anyone is interested, it's a 12 by 24 inch. So there is the dried result of that. Calendars are still available. Just, I mention it because there are always new people watching my videos, so I'm always going to mention these things, so I'm sorry if it's a repeat. But yes, calendars, 2025 calendars are available for purchase. They are $40 Canadian. You can email me really quickly. Still up for grabs and still for sale is the Loli Veffy bottle box kit. So this is still up. I'm not sure how many are left. I haven't checked lately, but if you have no idea what I'm talking about, check my last video. I talk about this, and there's also in the comments pinned at the top all the information. But head on over to Loli Veffy. You save 30% off on this kit plus an extra 10% off using my code Kanella10. So this is a really cool kit with Loli Veffy. So that is still happening. And then workshops. I still have spots open for my London, Ontario workshops here in my studio. If you want to come and see me, that's happening Sunday, October 20th. If you want to come and learn with me, it'll be blooms in the morning, the bloom technique, and in the afternoon class is a large canvas blowout. And then I will be in Dallas, Texas in March. If you want to come and see me in Dallas, Texas, and then Spokane, Washington, for an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. That one's very different from what happens at the Fluid Art Experience workshops. So this is in Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th. If you want information for those events, go in the description below my video, and there will be links where you can click on to get pricing, information, sign up, book your tickets, all that stuff. And then sometime in April, near the end of April, I will be going back to Montreal. So just thought I'd let you guys know I'll be going back to Montreal to teach again because it was just so much fun. But I haven't picked a date yet, but just throwing it out there so that you guys know for those of you who want to come. And then last but not least, tumblers. Yesterday was, I'm just going to say real quick, yesterday was a defeating, let down, bubble bursting kind of day. I, got up, went into the garage, into the workshop, and I'm like, okay, I have like 20 orders to do. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to pump them all out. I'm going to do tumbler after tumbler. And then I got to the second one, and then there was a problem with it. And like, I'm still learning how to use the machine and how to use everything and troubleshooting stuff. So I had an issue, it printed incorrectly. Then I screwed up something else, and it was just trouble after trouble after trouble. And I was just like, I was just ready about to throw in the towel and just be like, I'm done. But nope, as usual, Anthony comes over and he's like, nope, we'll figure it out. We'll fix it. We'll troubleshoot it. We'll YouTube it. We'll Google it. We'll figure it out. We'll reach out to the company's tech support, blah, blah. And this man helped me figure out what the problems were. And, I managed to get a few more tumblers done, but 12 hours in the garage. And I only managed to get like 5 tumblers done out of like 20. But let me show you a few of the ones I did. So my client, Andre, her daughters are fitness instructors and all about fitness. So we've got these 2, no pain, no gain, 2 workout / fitness tumblers. Like, how cool are these? So these are really neat. And then I think I showed this one to you guys already, but this is the teal with sea turtles and jellyfish. And then here's where I screwed up. So I made this beautiful cup. This one's so pretty with sunflowers and butterflies. Look how pretty. Until I realized that my client wanted it on a lavender cup. Why, oh why did I do it on a black cup? Because the next one I was supposed to do was trucks, which I haven't done yet. And it was supposed to be on a black cup, and I was not thinking with everything that had happened yesterday. My brain was just frazzled, and I did sunflowers on a black cup when it should have been on a lavender cup. So yeah, so here's the sunflowers on a lavender cup. Look how pretty it is. I love it. So that being said, this guy's available for purchase. If anyone is interested in this black cup, this black 40-ounce tumbler with sunflowers on it. This one is available for purchase. And then I showed you guys this one already too, but this one's available for purchase too. So it's an octopus on a white tumbler. And then I'll show you one more that I did. My girlfriend is a hockey mom. Her boys are in hockey, so naturally we had to do a hockey mom cup. Hockey mom. So hockey moms. And again, as always, don't forget, I can do 20-ounce tumblers. They don't have to be 40-ounce tumblers. I can do 20-ounce, and I have some 30-ounce ones too. But you can do 20-ounce and 40-ounce. But yeah, if you are interested in a tumbler, email me at canella@gmail.com, and we can go over color choices, the size of the tumbler you want, and then design, okay? So if you are interested, email me. All right, so that's it. I'm going to get myself set up, and let's get started to today's painting. I'll be right back. All right, let's get started. So today I'm doing gray and yellow, as you can see. Gray and yellow, so let's do that. What am I doing? I've got gray, which is titanium white and oxide black, mixed together to make gray by Amsterdam. And then my yellow is, let's see, Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. That is my base colors. And then these are my colors here. And if you want to know how I mix my colors, base included, base is mixed the same way as the colored paints. You can check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. You can click on that link and it'll be a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. Got some pops of boobles. All right, so the colors I'm using today are Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. Then I have Pearl Canary Yellow by Arteza. Look at this, Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue by Liquitex Basics. I never use Liquitex anymore, but sometimes you just never know when you're gonna need that color. Then I have Nickel Titan Yellow by Amsterdam. I don't think I've ever used that color until today. Pearl Cream, of course, by Arteza. I'm running out of this. I'm very upset. And I don't have any more. So that's not good. And I can't get it here in Canada. So that really sucks. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. But yeah. And Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. So those are my colors for today. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do. Someone said to me that there was a pearl cream in a comment. There was a pearl cream by a different brand. Was it Deco Art? I don't know. Maybe. If it was you, or you know what other pearl cream there might be out there, can you let me know in the comments below? Because I can't get this here in Canada. So I've checked Amazon and they don't have it. And Arteza paints on Amazon in Canada are like $100 for the 8-pack. And I'm not doing that. So that's not happening. Alrighty, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, colors are down. I'm covered in yellow paint. My goodness. How did I get all this yellow all over me? Okay, so let's get started. This should be interesting. Now, I chose a dark yellow because I wanted to dry dark, and I wanted to like have quite a contrast. And let me tell you, it's hard finding a bunch of different yellow hues. So that's why I ended up with a dark yellow as the base. So anywho, today you guys are watching this, and it is the 1st of October. Oh my gosh, it is the 1st of October. Wow, September has come and gone. September has come and gone, and it's the 1st of October. And on Thursday, which is the 3rd, is Sophia's birthday. So my daughter turns 12, and Lucas turned 14 last week. So yes, they are born 6 days apart. But yeah, her birthday is on Thursday. She's super excited. She's 12. She's almost a teen. What do they call them? Tweens right now when they're in between double digits. But yes, her birthday is on Thursday. That's it. What else? Other than me lasering and working. Oh, you know what? I forgot to mention. For those of you who ordered large spinners, please bear with me. The production of them has not started yet because I cannot get wood cut at Home Depot. Their machine is once again out of service, and without the machine, I cannot get any wood cut. So you're gonna have to bear with me on that. It's out of my control, it's out of my hands. I cannot do anything. There is gray on this side. That might not be a good thing. That might not be good. I can already see the gray on that side of the yellow, which is not good. But anywho, yes, bear with me on large spinners. All right, so I'm gonna start again in the middle and let's see what happens. I'm actually pretty surprised. Here are my thoughts. The yellow on the gray is so nice. The yellow on the yellow is kind of like it's losing itself in itself. Am I making sense? There's no contrast. Thank you. That's what I'm trying to think of. There's not much contrast on this side of the canvas like on this side. So there is a difference there. The thought crossed my mind to add gray into the blowout part, but I was afraid it was going to go muddy. So I chose not to do that. But don't forget, this is going to dry darker. So when this dries darker and then I have this bright yellow here, maybe it'll look better when it's dry. This is very sunshiny day. I feel like that, you know, sunshine song. I'm not going to sing because I'll spare you the bad singing, but it reminds me of like sunflowers and sunshine. I think I'm just going to blow this part here without getting anything into my apron or touching anything. Okay. I'm very interested to see how this is gonna dry. Like I said, there's not much contrast on this side, but in my last video, I had a few people say like, oh, you know, you did the dark gray and the light gray, you know, monochromatic. If you threw in one color, it would make it pop, like a Bordeaux or, you know, just a totally different color. Yes, it would. And yes, it would look great. But that's not what this series is all about. This gray split series I'm doing is basically doing a gray and another color as the split, but then using the colors of the split in the actual blowout. That's why I'm not using, you know, 24 karat gold in any of these. I didn't even use it in this one because I just didn't think it really went. I don't know, it just kind of didn't look good to me. Plus, I haven't used it in any other paintings, so I didn't want to cheat and use 24 karat gold. So, yeah, let's see how this dries. It's so bright though, sunny and bright. So I'm going to fix my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, so before we get to the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and scrape those drips. Super important, and fix your sides. That does not look good. Oh, it was fine. I just put yellow in it. There we go. Okay, sorry. Let me clean my finger now. So, yes, scrape your drips. Come back 10 minutes later. Do it again. All right, so let's check it out. So I've got some nice cells happening. But again, I'll be very curious to see how this dries because, you know, yellow on yellow. But I want to make sure, or see, I mean, what it's going to look like. My camera is not focusing lately these days. I think it's time for a new phone. Look at that. I think it's time I go and get the iPhone 16. There we go. So lots of cells. You know, I'll be very interested to see how this dries. But let's turn the lights off and check out the shimmer. All right, lights are off and shimmer. So there's two, or actually three. There's three Arteza pearls in here. So there should definitely be a lot of shimmer when this dries. Now, of course, if I had put 24 karat gold in here, then we all know what would have happened. But like I said, I did not want to add the 24K because I want it to be like all the other paintings, because all the other paintings did not get 24K. So I did not want to do that to this one. So there you go. And there you have it, everybody. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. So what have I not done yet? No green. I haven't done red, green, and orange. Well, all of my least favorite colors. My least favorite colors. What shall I do next? Let me know in the comments below and let me know what you guys think about this one. If someone is in the mood for a bright, sunshiny kind of painting and you want to buy this, you can email me. And yeah, that's it. So information for classes in the description below, Loli Veffy kit, calendars, tumblers, all of that. Just email me, canellaciraco@gmail.com. Okay. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.